Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to do a review about this pop race model. And Xcar Toys is also involved. I think it's really cool that Xcar Toys and Pop Race are working together because they're both very good diecast brands. Pop Race already released a model of this Aston Martin GT3. I've got it right here. And first we're going to have a look at this one. And then we're going to have a look at the other one. A new one is coming in a white livery. Also ordered that one when I got all three. I will do a video about all of them. Yes, in a 1/64 scale. And like I said, Xcar Toys, Pop Race working together. Awesome. S404 EVA RT test type 01 Aston Martin GT3. Whoa. Let's have a look at the package. You can see it's still wrapped in plastic. Some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. I bought mine on AliExpress. There I buy most of my Pop Race models. A really safe and good place to buy things. To be honest, I'm not a really big fan of racing models, but this one right here and also this one makes my heart go boom, 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 boom. Really like the wheels, and the wheels are rolling, spinning really well. There is Pirelli on the side that is very realistic. I like the deco, all the advertising on the car here, those big air intake holes. We got lanced headlights in a nice, some sort of yellow color. Here we got the back, plastic spoiler here. Yeah, so much details, so much different colors. That is what makes this car so cool. We got a windscreen wiper molded in the glass. We got a roll cage here in the back. Before we look at the base, we're going to have a look here in the interior. That's here, I think. Yeah, very nice, authentic steering wheel. I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's a racing steering wheel right there, just like an F1 car. Only one seat here in this car. That's very realistic for a racing car. Did I mention the side mirrors? They're looking great. And here we have the base, a metal base with slick rolling tires. Okay, let's have a look at the one. I already did a review about this one because I made a long video with a lot of Pop Race models. So yeah, basically the same model but different livery. Here, that's pretty cool. We got Michelin tires. I like that. They can choose to do the same Pirelli tires like this, but no. And then you can see, hey, those guys at Pop Race, they know what they are doing. Yeah. Let's put them next together. And now I'm going to say, please let me know in the comments with which one you prefer. Are you going for the purple or are you going for the gray one? Um, I'm actually pretty curious because it's X-Car Toys. This is pure pop race, but this one, X-Car Toys, is involved. And what details? X-Car Toys is responsible for what details on this car? Is it maybe that they say, no, no Michelin, we're going to do Pirelli? Or did they add some other details? I don't know. Or maybe they are responsible for the looks of the car, the deco. That's what I'm curious about. Okay, anyways, really cool cars. Yes, when the white one is arrived at my house, I will do a review about all three of them. For now, I have to say, don't forget to like, subscribe. Please thumbs up, you really help me with that. And I'll see you next time with more Diecast. Have a nice day. Bye.